Hello everyone. In today's video, we are gonna just check with the Excel function, which is a filter function we're gonna use today. So let me just open up my Excel workbook here. So I have one Excel workbook open with me, and it has a sort of data you can see. We're gonna use the filter function here. We have some other fields, columns. Here's the data that we're looking for. We have the customer ID, company name, contact name, title, and the country. So how you're gonna use the filter function if you have such data with you. So I'll get back to my sheet on worksheet here and I'll click on this cell which is customer ID B5, and when I click on it I will use the function with equals to filter tab
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
tab button. Now here it says that you have to provide the array. Array, that means you have to provide the data from in which you're looking for. So instead typing or getting to that sheet, I will use this button which is FX insert function. When you click it, it will make it a bit easier for you to get the data. So now array, we need to provide the array. So I'll get back to my customer data sheet below and I will select that all. I just clicked on it. The first cell here, which is A2 and then control A, it will select my data. Now if you see that array, it says table customer data. So it selected the entire data. Now include, what to include, it says the second one. Now it says if you get down, you will see that an array of the booleans where the true represents a row and the column to retain. So what we are looking for. So I you can get your data, you can get the country name, you can get the customer ID, or you can get anything. So let's say that and for this example, I will use a country here. So I'm going to use a country here. So I'll select this column which has country. So I selected this one, E2 cell, and I'm using Shift Control down arrow from my laptop keyboard, and it will select the entire column. You will see here. Now, if you see that includes table customer data country, and here we have to provide the arguments which country. So let's say because it has multiple countries, so I'll use here equals to, then quotes inverted comma. So let's say USA and close. So now it says third one, if empty, if the formula did not find anything, what it will result. So we can say that no records found or no results found, anything you would like to. So now our formula is complete here. So when let's click on that OK button, and here we go. Now you can see it results all of the data which has a country USA. So if you click on it here in this cell which is B5 again, you can see that we can alter our, we can modify our formula if required. So let's say in USA, if you would like to change the brackets, if you like to see the brackets for other countries like Germany, so you have to just manually type it here and just hit enter, and here it goes. So now it will give you the data here entirely. Um, this is how you can use the filter function. But make sure whenever you have to edit the data, you should go to this cell which is B5, and the reason behind, if you see that if I select any other cell, that formula bar, it has faded out or it is grayed out. You cannot edit that formula here. So that's the reason, because we made the formula here. So always you have to use this cell to edit the formula. So let's say another example, um, Canada. Okay. So if I just look for the Canada brackets only, and we got three. So, yep, this is how you can use a filter function when you are, working with your Excel workbook or worksheet. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.